Complaining about food. Good evening. How is everything with your meal?
Actually, I wanted to talk about my order. The food isn't quite right.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. Could you tell me what the problem is?
Yes, I ordered the grilled salmon, but it seems overcooked. It's very dry.
I understand. Let me take a look. You're right. It does look a little overdone.
I was looking forward to something softer and juicier.
I completely understand. Would you like me to ask the kitchen to prepare a new one for you?
Yes, please. That would be much better.
Of course. It will take about 10 minutes. In the meantime, may I bring you something while you wait? Maybe bread or a small salad?
A small salad would be nice, thank you.
Certainly. I'll bring it right away. Here's your salad while the chef prepares your new salmon. Again, I apologize for the inconvenience.
Thank you. I appreciate how quickly you're handling this.
It's our responsibility to make sure you enjoy your meal. Did you also want to keep your side dishes warm while you wait?
Yes, please. That would help.
I'll take them back to the kitchen and return them hot with the new fish. Here we are, a freshly cooked salmon, made medium as it should be. Please try it and let me know how it is.
Oh, yes. This is much better. Thank you for fixing it.
I'm glad it's to your liking now.
The seasoning is nice too, much more flavorful than the first one.
Wonderful. We've also given you a complimentary dessert for the trouble. Would you prefer chocolate cake or fruit tart?
Oh, that's kind of you. I'll take the chocolate cake, please.
Perfect choice. I'll bring it after your meal.
Thank you again for taking care of the problem so well.
It's absolutely no problem. We want you to leave happy.
You've succeeded. I'll definitely come back.
That means a lot. Enjoy the rest of your evening.
Buying shoes.
Good afternoon. How can I help you today?
Hi, I'm looking for a new pair of shoes.
Sure. Do you have a particular type in mind? Casual, formal, or sports?
I need something casual, maybe sneakers.
Great choice. What size do you usually wear?
I'm usually a size 9, but sometimes 9.5 depending on the brand.
No problem. I'll bring both sizes so you can try them. Do you prefer any color?
I was thinking black or white, something simple.
We have these new black sneakers that are very popular, and also a white pair with blue accents.
Let me try the black ones first.
Of course. Here's size 9. Please have a seat and try them on.
Thanks. Try shoes. These feel a little tight.
Okay, let me bring a size 9.5 for you. Sometimes this brand runs smaller.
Good idea.
Here you go. Try these.
Try them on. Ah, yes, these feel much better. Very comfortable.
They look great on you. Do you want to walk around a little to test them?
Sure. Walks a few steps. Yes, they feel good when I walk.
Excellent. Would you like to see them in another color as well?
Maybe. Do you have them in gray?
Yes, here's a pair in gray.
They're nice too, but I think I'll stick with black.
Good choice. The black ones go well with almost anything.
True. What's the price?
They're $75, but today we have a 10% discount.
Oh, that's a nice deal. Do you accept card payments?
Yes, we take all major cards.
Perfect. I'll take the black sneakers, size 9.5.
Great. Would you like shoe cleaner or extra laces to go with them?
Yes, I'll take an extra pair of black laces.
Excellent. I'll pack everything for you.
Thank you for your help. You made it easy.
My pleasure. I'm glad you found what you wanted. Here's your receipt.
Thanks a lot. Have a good day.
You too. Enjoy your new shoes.
In a taxi. Good afternoon. Where would you like to go?
Hi, please take me to the Grand Hotel downtown.
Sure. Do you prefer the highway route or the city streets?
Which one is faster at this time of day?
Let me check the GPS. It looks like the highway is about 10 minutes quicker.
Then let's take the highway.
No problem. Do you want the air conditioning on?
Yes, a little cool would be nice. Thank you.
You're welcome.
How long will it take to reach the hotel?
About 25 minutes, depending on traffic.
That's fine. I still have plenty of time before my meeting.
Are you visiting the city for business or vacation?
For business. I have a conference at the hotel.
Oh, the Grand Hotel hosts many events. It's one of the busiest places downtown.
Yes, I've heard that. This is my first time staying there.
You'll like it. The lobby is beautiful and the restaurants nearby are excellent.
That's good to know. Maybe I'll explore after my meeting.
Do you need to stop anywhere on the way? An ATM, a shop?
No, thank you. Straight to the hotel is fine.
All right. Would you like some music during the ride?
Sure, something soft would be nice.
Driver turns on the radio softly. Here you go.
Thanks. By the way, do you drive a taxi full time?
Yes, mostly. I've been driving for about 7 years. I like meeting new people every day.
That must be interesting. You probably have many stories.
Oh, yes. I've met travelers from all over the world.
That's amazing. I travel a lot too, but mostly for work.
Then you must know airports and hotels better than most people.
True.
We're almost there. Just 5 more minutes.
Perfect timing. Thank you for the smooth ride.
My pleasure. Here we are, the Grand Hotel.
Great. How much is the fare?
It's $22.
Here's $25. Please keep the change.
Thank you very much. Have a wonderful stay and good luck with your conference.
Thanks. Have a good day.
You too. Goodbye. Ordering breakfast at a cafe. Good morning. How many people?
Just one, please. Can I sit by the window?
Of course, right this way. Please have a seat. Here's the menu.
Thank you. It looks nice here. Is it always this busy in the mornings?
Yes, mornings are our busiest time. Lots of people stop by before work.
Makes sense. Do you have any breakfast specials today?
Yes, we do. Our special is toast with eggs and coffee for $6. It's one of our most popular items.
That sounds good. Can I have scrambled eggs instead of fried?
Certainly, we can make them scrambled. Would you like them soft or well cooked?
Soft scrambled, please.
Perfect. So that's toast, scrambled eggs, and coffee. Would you like juice with that? We have orange, apple, and pineapple juice.
Orange juice, please. Fresh squeezed if possible.
Yes, we always serve it fresh.
Great. Do you also have croissants?
Yes, we bake them every morning. Would you like one?
Yes, please. Just one croissant.
Wonderful. So your order is toast with scrambled eggs, coffee, orange juice, and one croissant.
Yes, that's correct.
How would you like your coffee? Black or with milk and sugar?
With a little milk, no sugar.
Got it. Any preference for the toast? White, brown, or multigrain?
Oh, multigrain, please.
Excellent choice. Your order will be ready in about 10 minutes.
Perfect. Thank you very much.
My pleasure. While you wait, would you like some water?
Yes, a glass of water would be nice.
Here you go. By the way, have you been here before?
No, this is my first time. I just moved into the neighborhood.
Welcome then. We hope you'll enjoy it here. Our cafe is known for its pastries and friendly atmosphere.
That's good to know. I already feel comfortable.
I'm glad to hear that. Please relax and I'll bring your breakfast soon.
Thank you. I'm looking forward to it.
You're very welcome. Enjoy your morning.
Thanks, I will.
At the airport check-in. Good morning. May I see your passport and ticket, please?
Good morning. Yes, here you are.
Thank you. Are you checking in any bags today?
Yes, one big suitcase.
Please place it on the scale. Okay, it weighs 19 kilos. That's under the limit.
Great. I was worried it might be too heavy.
No problem. Do you have any other bags?
Just this backpack. Can I take it with me?
Yes, that can be your carry-on item.
Perfect. May I have a window seat, please?
Let me check. Yes, we have a window seat in row 14. Would you like that?
Yes, that sounds good. Thank you.
Here is your boarding pass. Your flight boards at 9:15 a.m. at gate 12.
Gate 12. Got it. What time is the departure?
The plane leaves at 10 a.m.
So boarding is about 45 minutes before?
Exactly.
How long is the flight?
About 3 hours. You should land at 1 p.m. local time.
Wonderful. And is a meal included on the flight?
Yes, you'll receive a light lunch and drinks.
That's nice. Is there Wi-Fi on the plane?
Yes, but you will need to pay with a credit card once you're on board.
Okay, good to know.
Do you have any liquids or sharp objects in your carry-on?
No, just clothes, a book, and my phone charger.
Perfect. Then you're all set.
Where do I go after this?
Go straight ahead to security, then follow the signs for gate 12.
Great. Thank you very much for your help.
You're welcome. Have a pleasant flight.
Thanks, you too.
Making weekend plans. Hi, Lisa. Do you have any plans for the weekend?
Not yet. Why? What are you thinking?
I was thinking of going to the park on Saturday. It's been such a busy week. I could use some fresh air.
That sounds nice. Which park are you talking about?
The one near the river. It has big trees, a walking track, and lots of space to sit.
Oh, yes. I love that park. It's so peaceful. What time are you thinking?
Maybe in the morning around 10 a.m. It won't be too hot then.
Good idea. Do you want to just walk around or do something else?
We can walk for a bit, then maybe have a picnic.
A picnic sounds fun. Should I bring some food?
Yes, please. I'll bring sandwiches. You can bring fruit or juice.
Okay, I'll bring apples, some grapes, and maybe a bottle of orange juice.
Perfect. I'll also bring a blanket so we can sit comfortably.
I can bring a few cookies I baked yesterday. They'll go well with coffee or juice.
Yum, that sounds amazing. You're really good at baking.
Thanks! Do you want me to bring coffee in a thermos too?
That would be great. Nothing better than coffee outdoors.
Do you think the weather will be good on Saturday?
I checked the forecast. It says sunny with a light breeze. Ideal picnic weather.
Perfect! Last weekend, it rained the whole day, so I stayed home.
Same here. I was bored and ended up watching TV all day.
Then we really need this weekend outdoors.
Absolutely. And what about Sunday? Are you free then?
Yes, I should be. What's the plan?
I was thinking of watching a movie. Do you want to join?
Of course! Which movie?
The new comedy at the downtown cinema. Everyone says it's hilarious.
Oh, I love comedies. Who's starring in it?
A couple of big actors. Plus, the trailer looked funny.
Nice. What time is the show?
At 6 p.m. But let's meet around 5:30 to buy tickets and grab snacks.
Good idea. I never watch a movie without popcorn.
Same. I'll get popcorn and you can grab drinks.
Deal.
So, Saturday is park and picnic, and Sunday is movie night.
Sounds like a perfect weekend.
I can't wait. It'll be fun and relaxing.
Me too. Thanks for making the plan, Sam.
Anytime, Lisa. See you Saturday at the park.
See you then. Don't forget the sandwiches.
And you don't forget the cookies.
Haha, I won't. Bye for now.
Bye.
Ordering lunch at a restaurant.
Good afternoon. Do you have a reservation?
No, just one person.
No problem at all. Please follow me. Here's a table by the window, and here's the menu.
Thank you. It's a nice view from here.
Yeah, many guests like this spot. It's quieter too.
Great. So, what do you recommend for lunch today?
The grilled chicken with rice is very popular. It comes with seasonal vegetables on the side.
That sounds good. Is it spicy?
No, it's mild, but we can add a little spice if you like.
No, mild is fine. I'll take the grilled chicken.
Excellent choice. Would you like soup or salad with that?
A small salad, please.
We have Caesar salad and garden salad. Which would you prefer?
Garden salad, please.
Perfect. And to drink?
Just water for now.
Still or sparkling?
Still water, please.
Very good. Would you like a slice of bread while you wait?
Yes, that would be nice. Thank you.
Of course. Anything else? Maybe dessert later?
I'll decide after lunch. What desserts do you have today?
We have chocolate cake, fruit tart, and also a cheesecake special.
Oh, chocolate cake sounds nice. I might try that later.
Wonderful. So just to confirm, grilled chicken with rice, a small garden salad, still water, and maybe dessert afterward.
Yes, that's correct.
Great. Your meal will be ready in about 15 minutes. While you wait, would you like me to bring today's soup to taste? It's complimentary.
Oh, really? That's kind. Sure, I'll try a small bowl.
Excellent. I'll bring that right away.
Thank you very much. By the way, is this your busiest time of day?
Yes, lunch hours are usually busy, especially on weekdays, but we always try to give quick service.
That's good to know. It feels comfortable here.
I'm glad to hear that. Please relax, and I'll bring your soup and bread shortly.
Perfect. I'm looking forward to the meal.
You're welcome. Enjoy your lunch.
Talking about the weather. Hi, how are you today?
I'm good, thanks. The weather's beautiful, isn't it?
Yes, it's sunny and warm. I really like days like this.
Me too. Do you know the temperature right now?
I think it's around 25 degrees. Not too hot, not too cold.
Perfect weather for a walk. The sky looks so clear.
Yes, I noticed that. Hardly any clouds today.
Yesterday was so rainy though.
I know. I had to run from the bus stop and my shoes got soaked.
Oh no, I forgot my umbrella and got wet too.
That happens. I always keep a small umbrella in my bag, just in case.
That's a smart idea. I should start doing the same.
Do you think it will rain again this week?
The forecast says maybe on Friday afternoon.
Then I'll make sure to carry my umbrella.
Same here. Better safe than sorry.
By the way, do you like summer or winter more?
Oh, definitely summer. I enjoy the long days and sunshine. What about you?
I prefer winter. I like the cool air, hot drinks, and cozy clothes.
Haha. Then today is more my kind of day, not yours.
True, but I still enjoy the sunshine sometimes.
That's nice. The weather really changes how people feel, doesn't it?
Absolutely. A sunny day always makes me feel more energetic.
And rainy days make me feel sleepy.
Same here.
Great. Since it's sunny, shall we go for a walk in the park?
Yes, let's go. It's the perfect day for it.
Wonderful. Let's enjoy the fresh air.
Inviting a friend for coffee. Hi, Mark. How are you?
Hey, Anna. I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm fine, just a little tired. It's been a busy morning.
Oh, really? What kept you busy?
I had a couple of classes and then some errands. I barely had time for lunch.
I know that feeling. My morning was full of meetings. I'm glad they're over.
Are you busy this afternoon?
Not really. I just need to reply to a few emails, but nothing urgent. Why do you ask?
I was thinking, do you want to grab a coffee together?
That sounds nice. I could use a break. Where do you want to go?
There's a new cafe near the library. Have you tried it yet?
No, not yet. I walked past it, but I haven't gone in. Is it good?
Yes, it's cozy and they have really good coffee and pastries. The cheesecake is amazing.
Cheesecake? Now you're convincing me even more.
I knew that would work.
Do they also have Wi-Fi? I might need to check a few things while we're there.
Yes, free Wi-Fi and plenty of plugs for laptops. I noticed students studying there.
Perfect. Then it's a win-win. Coffee, snacks, and a place to sit comfortably.
Exactly. What time works for you?
How about 4 p.m.?
That's perfect for me too.
Great. Should we meet outside the cafe or inside?
I'll wait for you outside. That way it's easier to spot each other.
Good idea. I'll probably get there a few minutes early just in case.
Okay, I'll text you if I'm running late, but I should be on time.
Sounds good. Thanks for inviting me, Anna. I've been meaning to take a proper break.
Anytime, Mark. It'll be nice to catch up.
Absolutely. Maybe we can also plan our weekend outing while we're there.
Oh, yes, that's right. Coffee and some planning. Perfect combination.
I'm looking forward to it. See you at 4 then.
See you. Don't forget to bring your sweet tooth for the cheesecake.
Don't worry. I'm ready for it.
Great. See you soon.
Bye for now.
At the post office. Good morning. How can I help you?
Hello. I'd like to send this package, please.
Sure. Is it going in the US or international?
It's going to Canada.
Okay. Do you want normal delivery or express?
What's the difference?
Normal takes 7 to 10 days. Express takes 3 days, but it costs more.
I'll choose Express, please.
Great. Please fill out this form with the address.
Here you are.
Thank you. Do you want insurance for the package?
No, that's fine. Just tracking, please.
No problem. The total is $25.
Can I pay with a card?
Yes, of course. Please tap your card here.
Done. Will I get a receipt?
Yes, here it is with the tracking number.
Perfect. Thanks for your help.
You're welcome.